video. It's your girl, Carcy Denise. If this is your very first video, thank you for stopping on by. I hope that you like this content enough that you want to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you be notified whenever your girl uploads a video and you can become part of the family. If you are a returning family member, what up, cousins? You know what I'm saying? You already know how we do it, okay? So as you guys are read from the title, this is another Amazon Prime review, but it's a little different from my usual reviews, you know. It's not a wig, it's a pony and a bang. So I did get this, a product from UAmy hair on Amazon, and it comes with a curly pony and then 2 bangs. And it's gonna run you only, you guessed it, $20, okay? We love a slay on a budget, you know what I'm saying? We love that. So let's go right ahead and jump into this video. And warning, up under this wig, I do got my Felicia braids, so don't be trying to come for me, y'all, okay?
Ooh, is it you saucy?
Alright guys, so I'm done styling this piece, and I low-key like really like it to be like, when I tell you quick and easy, simple, sus. And like the hair is super soft. Like this little piece here is super soft. Like look at that. And the curls, like people probably might think this might be my hair. I know I say it a lot, but you know, they might think this might be my hair for real. The other bang, I would want to say, is a little more of a silky kind of texture. If you can see, I feel like this one goes better with the hair to me, but you know, Yeah, this is a little silky, so I probably won't wear this one with the hair, but then I might could try it and see how it works. But I like this bang better with it. I love how it came with a scarf, so you don't even got to worry about trying to find you a scarf. But you know, if you have any scarves that you like, you can just always tie it yourself. But yeah, I am really feeling this. It's really giving me, what's the singer? The one that sings, and I'll rise up, rise like the day. Oh, day. Yeah, the day girl. It's really giving me her vibe, like real like Afrocentric vibes. But yeah, I think it's really, really super cute. And for the price, you can't go wrong. Like the drawstring fits snug, like she ain't going nowhere. The bang has a clip, so once you tuck it and you clip it, it ain't going nowhere. So sus, you could be in there rocking and rocking, and she ain't going nowhere and rocking. You feel me? So like I said, this unit was only $20, y'all. You can't beat it. You got 2 styles for the price of 1. You can wear it without the bang. You can wear it with the bang. If you guys are interested in purchasing this, I will definitely leave the link down below so that way y'all can get your hands on her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video.